bronze, silver, and gold medal.
Meron po tayo from Debutant 1 Saturday. Meron din po tayong Debutant 1 from
Sunday. So, dito po tayo sa debutant 1 ng Saturday.
For bronze medal. Pupunta ko sa harap para isip ko ng medal. For bronze medal sa Debutant 1 Sabado, meron po tayong dalawa, Manganaan Gladys.
Congratulations! Bronze medal goes to Yanis Evelyn. Congratulations!
Commercial lang po. Kung matatawag po kayo sa awardees, pwede nyo pong isama sa unahan yung kasama nyo po kung gusto nyo po sila ang magsabit sa inyo ng medals. Okay po? Ayun, patanggal na lang po yung top pag natawag po kayo. And now, for silver medal, Debutant 1, Samdi, Chico Edwin.
Congratulations! Mrs. Sino sa tingin niyo yung gold medalist ng level ay Debutant 1? Sa tingin niyo! Sino? Saturday!
Isa po siya sa pinaka-active, pinaka-maingay, gold medalist,
Bronze
Ronnie!
Thank you! Congratulations to all the awardees of Debutant 1. Now, let's welcome to Debutant 1 Saturday and Sunday.
For bronze medal, we have Vanilla Janet. Congratulations!
Another bronze medalist, Solomano Kathleen. Congratulations. And now for the gold medalist for Debutant 1 Sunday, Villaruel Lauren. Congratulations. Congratulations to the winners of Debutant 1.
And now, let's proceed to the awards of Debutant 2, bronze medal, Postino Andres Jr.
Congratulations.
Yes!
Tanji Amala Suhid.
Bronze
Congratulations.
Mga medal nyo. Ako pinasanong sa'yo. Kaya doon ka dumaan sa dulo. Sabitan mo ako. Saan ka dadaan? Doon ka dumaan. Sorry.
Yes!
Congratulations.
For silver medal, proud ako dito dahil kabayan ko to, Aguilar Ellery! Silver. Madeline. Congratulations! Congrats!
Congratulations. Mas proud ka dito. Mas proud ka dito, RB. Tawagin mo yung gold medalist.
Unfortunately, wala po tayong gold medal.
Pasensya na po.
Wala nang nagwagi.
May bobo po yung mga debutants. Gusto na po yung ka na, tawagin mo na.
For our
Ayun
debutant
na, excited siya.
gold medalist, Saginsin Tracy!
Congratulations, Debutant 2. Now let's welcome to the awards for level 1, the class for Sir Dominic Lutron. Bronze medalist, Chico Roosevelt.
Yes!
Congratulations.
Okay, hello kayo, please.
Congratulations. Kiss. Kiss. Kiss.
Yes! Another bronze medal, Galong Roselma. Dahil dyan may papansin si Ate Roselma. level 1, let's call on Abelanida Hazel Grace.
Dominic,
Okay po, tapos na po tayo sa distribution of medals. Pero huwag po tayong susuko dahil may pag-asa pa po. Meron pa po tayong additional awards. Ito po ay titulo ng lupa. 1,000 square meters. Pero sa sen. Floating lang kayo. Okay po. Now po, magbibigay naman tayo ng award for perfect attendance. Sino po sa tingin nyo ng perfect attendance? May best in late din po tayo. Best in makeup. Okay po, para po sa ating first perfect attendance, si Miss Corrales Ginelma, ngunit po absent siya. So, ipaparapol!
Bakit absent sa graduation?
Okay po. Perfect attendance. De Torres Mariel. Thank you po. Sobrang sipag niyo po. Next naman po, perfect attendance again. Kaligiran Hasmin. Ay, may absent ka.
may absent.
Nagmumukha siya yung kita sa video.
Smile. Labas po yung tip.
Ano na sinabi ko na
Zaira Moralina.
Perfect attendance. Next, Pangilinan Bessie, perfect attendance. Next po ay si Yababa Rochelle, pero po absent po ulit siya.
Parapol ulit.
So now, tawagin naman po natin, Azares Rihanna Micaela. Perfect attendance.
Tracy Colleen Saginsin. Lion Club. Best in attendance.
Perfect attendance.
Perfect attendance.
Perfect buche. Sobrang sarap. Perfect
Perfect
for
for RV.
Nag-aantay pa po ba kayo ng perfect attendance?
Wala na.
Tama po. And now po, ang ating next award. Siya po ay 3 beses na nakatanggap ng diploma galing po sa Gabay. And this is her 4th diploma po galing po sa Gabay. Loyalty Award.
Goes to...
Sana all
Goes
loyal!
to... Tan, 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 tan. Wala po. Miss Anarna Analiza.
Congratulations.
French kiss! French kiss! French kiss! Merci!
Congratulations to all and to all the awardees.
Once again, we're requesting everyone to stand up for our farewell song, To Be Lit Again by Tracy Colleen.
Understand why enough of a moment and started to cry. You're crazy. Now that the end is already here.